Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Global Imag. Today we are going to learn about how to create your own free website on Google Sites. If this is the first time you have come to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. How to create your own free website on Google site. For this, one basic requirement is having a Gmail account. As you know, we already created a Gmail account in our previous video. So we are going to use the same Gmail account. After that, what you need to do is type in Google Sites. Then you have to sign into Google Sites as we have already a Gmail account. So it's going to take us to the dashboard. And here, as you can see that there are many templates available from which we can choose to create our own website. If you click the gallery button, you will have different sort of templates available in different sort of domains. There is personal, you have work template, you have small business template. If you are if you want to make any educational type of website, then you have those templates available as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple website. So we will start with the basic, a blank template. So all you need to do is to just click the blank icon button, and here it is going to take you to another dashboard where you can design your own website. So here we are at the dashboard. As you can see, the basic page is over here. Google is also going to provide you a tour how to build in and how to use the different features. So at this moment we are going to just skip it. So here the basic page is ready and you can change the text as you want. Just click and type in whatever you want to name your website or whatever your website is about. So this is the main title of our website. As you can see, we can drag it, we can customize it according to our need, we can change the font, and we can also change the size of the text as well. And similarly, we can do different types of things with this. So this is the main title of the website, and here you can see it is written enter the site name. So I'm going to write in Captain Wolf World. This is the title of the website, and this is the title of the page. And here you can see this is currently a blank page. So in the right side, if you move aside, we can see that there are different templates available, there are different layout features available, and there are different sort of other features available which we can use to create the website. So to start off, we will go to the themes. So here we can see that there are different themes available which are going to offer us different sort of platform. We can choose among any of them, and it is going to provide us with different font style, font sizes and backgrounds. So currently we are going to go with this one level, and here it is providing us with an option of to choose among the different colors. We are going to go with yellow, and that's it, the theme is applied. So from here we will move back to insert option, and here you can see that the current page is empty. So in case if you want to add something, you can try out the different layout. We will try the first basic layout. We will just click it and you can see that it is available on our website. So from here the template is available. You can hit the plus icon, and here it is going to provide you with multiple options. As you can see that you can upload, if you have your own image, you can select the image from the Google Drive, or you can select from the Google Search Console. And if you want to just add up a YouTube video, you can do that as well. So first, in the first template, we are going to just enroll our own video. We will hit the YouTube icon. We can search the video whichever we want to use. We are going to search our own channel, and we are going to use any of the videos that we have available on our channel. So I will go with this video. I will select the video and hit the select icon, and the video is going to be uploaded over here. And on the right side, I'm going to just type in the title, how to create your free blog site. This is basically the title of the video. I'm going to just bold it, change the font style, and similarly I'm going to just write in the basic description, the video tutorial teach you about how to create your own free blog site. So as you can see that the basic template we have covered up. So we have inserted one layout. Similarly, if you want to try out any other layout, you can just choose among any of them. So for this basic site, we are just going to hit another one where I'm going to teach you how to insert an image. So here we are again going to hit the plus icon button and select image. Now Google is going to provide you among different options. If you have some images in your drive, it is going to show you that over here. If you want to use any image from the website URL, you can select the URL. And if you want to choose the images from the Google search, then you can use the Google image search. So let's try global warming. So it is going to show us different images and we can select any of them. So for this purpose, just select this item and we are going to just insert it, and it is going to insert the image in our website. So again, we are going to give a title, global warming, and you can write in the text whatever you want, all about global warming. So there are basic things that you need to understand. If you are going to insert any picture or any image in your website, you need to make sure that you enter the alt text. Alt text basically tells the Google search bot that what this picture is about, what this image is about. So we are going to enter the alt text. It is about global warming. So we are just going to enter the description and hit the apply button. So it is going to apply it. So the basic website is ready, as you can see. Now, as I told you in my previous tutorial as well, that you should make sure that whenever you are building your own website or starting your own free website or whatever website you are going to make, you should always have few pages around it. So the basic page that I always ask you to ensure that you make is to make an about us page. So for that, we need to add a page. So if we move ahead towards the right side, you can see there is a pages tab available. We are going to hit. Currently there is only one page, which is the home. So we are going to hit the plus icon and hit the new page. It is now we should give the name to our new page, and I will give it our story and hit the done icon, and it has taken us to the new page. Our story, the title is appearing over here, and we are going to again put in some text over here. We will move to insert. Just click the text box. It is going to show us the text, and we will write our own story, or you should write whatever thing you feel necessary in your own story, so that the user, when they visit your website, they know that who you are, what you do, what your blog is all about, what kind of content you are going to share with them. So this is very important page. You should make sure that you should write very precise and good quality content over here. So for this testing purpose, I'm just going to write few basic line. Hello, this is Captain Wolf World. We teach basic tutorials about how to create free websites using different platform. We have our own channel on YouTube, Global Emag. So this is the text that I just want to enter in our story page, and we have our story page available. So the next important page that you should always have in your website is contact form, because you need to have a contact form built so that you can build up your own community, your own audience, so that whenever your new post is ready, whenever you are trying some new things, if you already have a build up community, you can utilize that. For that purpose, we are going to use Google Forms. Google Forms basically provide you with different features. It enables you to build up your forms. It helps you create some very good and interesting forms that you can use and utilize different features for data analysis and many other purposes. We are going to have another tutorial on that as well. So for this basic website, we are just going to build a basic contact form. We are going to go to Google Form sign in. Again, the requirement is same. You need to have a Gmail account. So here they have already given us basic templates. We have contact form, and similarly the template gallery is available. You can choose among the various templates available, and according to your need you can tailor the forms as well. So this basic website, we are just going to need this template. I'm going to select it. It's going to create a new form for me. So here I'm going to write basic information. So again, the Google is providing you an option to take a tour and view different features. I'm just going to skip it. So I'm going to give the name to this form, contact us, description, in case if you have any queries related to our website, feel free to contact us. So here we have different fields available. This is the name field, and user can provide their name in it. There's a short text option available. There are different features that you can choose among them. For this name, we just need a short answer. So that is there. We will require an email address. So the email option is there. Again, we need a short answer. Here you can see that we have put in a rule as well that we need a text. You can choose among different other rules as well. So for email, we need a text, and text needs to be an email. So user need to provide a email address in order to fill up our form. So there are other fields available such as address, phone number, comments. So it is up to you whether you want it to have in your form or not. I just need your question or your query, and user can provide their feedback over here. We don't need phone number, so we are going to delete it. And we don't need any comments as well, so we are going to delete that question as well. So this is our basic form. As you can see that I have titled it as contact us form. So it is, the form has been created. And if you want to use that form and just send it to your user, you can just click the send button and choose the email, and you can send it over there. Otherwise, your form is ready and you can utilize your form. So here again, we will go back to our main website. So we are going to add a new page. So again, I will go to the pages tab. I will hit the new icon button. It is going to create a page. I will name it contact us, and done. So as you can see that we are here to the contact us form. So now we need to insert the built-in Google contact form that we have already created over here. So I'm going to just go to insert features. So over down here, I will scroll down to the bottom, and you can see that there is an option of forms. If I click the forms option, it is going to see my Google's information. If I have created any form, it is going to show it. So here it is, the form is available. I'm going to select the form and click the insert button, and the form is going to be inserted in our page. So you have the drag and drop option as well, which you can use and tailor your form according to your need. So that's it. This is the basic function. So I'm going to just drag it so that it should come in the full page. Google is showing you the message that auto save your work, and that's it. So we have built in our own basic website. It has a home with images and a video. We have created our story page and contact us form. So the last step that we need to do is now we need to publish our website. As you already know that this is a Google site, so Google is going to offer us a free website on Google Sites domain. So all you need to do is just click the publish icon. And here you can choose among the web address that you want. So currently, let's say if I want Captain Wolf World, it is going to see if the domain is available or not. If the domain is available, you will see the check mark, and your website is going to have this URL. So So I'm just going to hit the publish icon. Now Google will publish my website, and as you can see that your site has been published successfully. So from here, I will just hit the view icon. Here you can see the website is available. So the website looks good. We have the three different pages, and the basic website is ready to go. And similarly, you can build your own website. Just a tip, let's suppose if you have seen many websites with some header banner and showing something useful over here. So in that case, if you want to build up an header, you will just hit that setting icon, and over here, if you have a built-in logo you want to share with your users, you can use that. You will come to brand images and you can upload your own logo. And similarly, it was just about announcement banner that I was just talking about. So I'm going to hit the announcement banner. So here you can write the message that you want. Hello, this websites share tutorials on making free websites. So this is the message that is going to show on the announcement bar. Here you can label it as you want, and similarly you can put in the link, the link you want. Let's say I'm going to put in the link of our story over of our page or the home page, and you can utilize this as per your own need. I'm going to select the home icon. It's going to ask me the label, the button label. So let's say free websites tutorials. So it is asking for the visibility, that where you want this banner to appear. I want this banner to appear on the home page only, and that's it. The setting has been saved. And if I'm going to publish it, so now I've published it. So the website is ready, and here you just need to publish it. And as soon as you are going to publish it, the announcement banner is going to appear on the top, and the label is also appearing, and the link is also available. So I'm going to hit the publish icon and view the published website. Let's see. So here you can see the banner is appearing and the label is also appearing. And let's see if the banner is appearing on the other pages. As you can see that we have saved the settings. The banner should not appear on the other pages, so it is not appearing on the other pages. So that's it, guys. This was all about how to create your own free website using Google Sites. There are lots of free templates available. You can utilize among any of them. You can start off making your own free basic website with a blank template, and you can utilize different features available in the Google Sites. And this is how you can make your own free websites. So that's it, guys. This is how you can make your own free website using Google Sites. And if you want to know more about how to create free websites using other platform, keep visiting our channel, subscribe and hit the like button, and you will get to know each and every new tutorial that we are going to publish on our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.